Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of online money making. We'll explore some exciting side hustles that could help you fund your upcoming video project. Let's start with affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services on your platform and earning a commission on each sale. You can find such opportunities through affiliate networks like Amazon Associates or Win. Next, consider freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer a variety of projects from web design to content writing, allowing you to work from anywhere in the world and earn based on your skill set and experience. If you're a whiz with social media, why not monetize your skills by managing accounts for businesses? You can create content, run ads, and boost their online presence for a fee. If you have creative flair or are an artist, consider selling your creations online through platforms like Etsy or Society6. Design t-shirts, create custom artwork. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget about paid surveys. Platforms like Survey Junkie allow you to share your thoughts and opinions while earning cash rewards for doing so. Lastly, think about turning your creative ideas into digital products. Whether it's stock footage for videos or tutorials on video editing tool, you can sell these products online and generate passive income for yourself. Remember, patience and consistency are key factors in building a successful side hustle for your video project. Remember that these ideas are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to making money online. Start small with 1 or 2 ideas, build up momentum, and watch your side hustle grow into a thriving business. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, keep coding.